Hello everybody. This is a sad day for many of us who enjoy gaming. Now, I'm not an avid gamer, as it were. I am not even a hardcore gamer. I play Minecraft, I play The Last of Us sometimes, and I play Doom. For this is the day that we were promised would never happen. By many people, the company itself included. This is the day that Stadia died. This, I still don't really believe that it's happening, if I'm totally honest. This is what got so many people back into gaming. It's, you know, kind of where people found their niche. It's where people enjoyed, like, you could play anywhere. You didn't have to be with a console. You didn't have to, like, choose a side. You didn't have to pick the Xbox or the PS5 side. There's none of that. You just play wherever you are. Didn't matter what device you had. You didn't have to play, you didn't have to download the exe file or whatever the Mac file is called, or you didn't have to, none of that. It was platform agnostic, it was like console agnostic, and everyone could just have fun as long as the game was actually on Stadia, which it was getting a good amount of games. But somehow people seem to be happy about this. It's mostly the toxic fanboys or you know, the rest of the gaming industry, whatever you want to call it. Every single main news source picked up the fact that, like, today's the day that Stadia dies. Never once did they ever report on anything else, you know, and it was healthy and living and a great option. They were like, who's using this service? Like, come on, guys. So I'm upset about that, and I will never forgive them. And I will never forgive Phil Harrison. This is not harassment, but I will never forgive Phil Harrison for not caring more about a project he was put in front of. This was a project that had hundreds of thousands of backers. Just on the subreddit alone, I think there were 112, something like that. There might have been, I can't remember if they broke 200,000 actually, they might have. It's been a while. But I figured this was a good time. I have about 100 million Stadia controllers. I don't know if you can see one, there's one right there, there's one on the table, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here, I've got 2 more in my closet. So I have a whole bunch of Stadia controllers, and I just changed them all to Bluetooth, except one. One of them was a brand new sealed Founders Edition, which I purchased probably at least a year ago from Facebook Marketplace, and I never opened it because I already have a Founders Edition, and I figured I'd wait for the opportune moment, and now is the opportune moment. So, in honor of Stadia shutting down, here is a relaxing unboxing of the Stadia Founders Edition controller, complete with the Google Chromecast Ultra, the stickers, and all the original paperwork. This was originally the reward that the Stadia backers received once they, I think it was like $125, something like that. They received a special little icon next to their username for purchasing one of these. It was, you know, a Stadia founder, and they got the stickers with it. No other Stadia product included stickers except this, so it's super cool. It's really cool to have this all in one piece. I was gonna keep it sealed just because, you know, why not? I'm sure someone would find some value in a sealed copy, but if I'm going to ever use it again, if they ever want to actually use the controller, I have to switch it over to Bluetooth, and I have to plug it in for that. So, you know, I figured it was a good compromise, and I could make a cool video on it. That's pretty much it. I'll put the unboxing here on the end, and then let me know your favorite Stadia memory and your favorite game, I guess. Like, where did you go after Stadia announced that they were closing? I personally, I'm using my PS5 and kind of some PC. I've been playing around with like Minecraft mods, but I don't really understand it. So if anything, I usually play on my TV with the PS5. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. RIP to Stadia. And let me know your favorite memory from them. Thanks, guys.
The promise of creating one place for all the ways we play is a long-held dream. Today, we're proud to see that dream become a reality. A community of players is the core of Stadia. Thank you for being the first to gather around. Sincerely, the Stadia team.